I bought these stainless steel M6 by 1mm by 12mm screws. It's stuck. They both start, but they don't go in all the way. The threads are damaged. This is the plug tap and tap wrench that we'll be using. This plug tap is an M6 by 1mm thread. It fits right in this area here, and you tighten it up. When we try to use our tap wrench, it runs into the car and we can't use it. I'm going to use an adjustable wrench to turn the tap. This took a lot of time, so I cut most of it out. That's basically the whole length of the tap. It's good. The threaded part is almost all the way in now. Good. I also have a washer to go with the screws.